A proposed change to our federal HIPAA laws by the Biden administration has many Arkansans already picking sides. The move would expand privacy for personal medical records, specifically for reproductive health care.
Attorney General Tim Griffin was one of the several AGs to quickly take a stance on it. Samantha Boyd talked with him about a letter now gaining some national attention. Samantha, what's he saying?
Laura, Griffin says this letter is simple and does not propose anything new. He and more than a dozen other AGs are pushing to keep the federal law as is. This proposal for change comes not long after the one-year mark of Roe v. Wade being overturned. Griffin believes President Biden's timing for this is no coincidence.
Any objection by these attorneys general is on the basis of this political climate that was created after the Dobbs decision last year.
A letter signed by more than a dozen attorneys general across the U.S., including Tim Griffin, is fighting to keep HIPAA laws the same.
They're carving out an exemption as we approach an election year to allow for protection of abortion.
The Biden administration is looking to expand privacy for reproductive health care records. While some, like State Representative Ashley Hudson, question Griffin's motives, he says government access to these records is crucial for criminal investigations.
In many crimes, you have to deal with that issue, whether it be sexual assault, rape, child abuse.
To be quite honest, I don't think that this rule change would prohibit investigation into a significant and serious issue that occurred as a result of an individual seeking trans-affirming care.
The president and CEO of Planned Parenthood Great Plains is also chiming in, saying this is just an effort for politicians to insert themselves between patients and healthcare providers. In a statement, she says in part, quote, "We have heard from patients for more than a year who are terrified their private medical decisions and their medical records will be used against them by anti-abortion politicians."
Of course Planned Parenthood said it. What else are they going to say? That's exactly what their job is, to stir things up with nonsense.
Griffin and the other attorneys general are accused by some of political overreach and intimidating women to not go out of state for an abortion where it is legal.
They haven't been pursuing people for political reasons for decades, and are not doing it now.
Now, Hudson tells me she's talked with women concerned about retaliation after getting an abortion out of state if those records do not become private. Griffin tells me the Arkansas statute does not allow women to be prosecuted for abortions, and he adds that unless it's for an investigation, they would not be looking at those records anyway. Reporting live in studio, Samantha Boyd, KARK 4 News.
Samantha, thank you. An Arkansas law banning gender-affirming care for children will be returning to the courts after the Attorney General filed for appeal this afternoon. In June, a judge ruled that the SAFE Act's ban on gender-affirming hormone treatment, puberty blockers, or surgery was unconstitutional, therefore removing the ban. Now AG Tim Griffin is appealing that ruling, asking for the ban to go back in place.